So hello guys. So today we will be looking how we can uh, pharmacy is integrated into our technology. Okay, in Nika care. So let me just add one patient very quickly. Okay, so this is the patient. I will just add it, and let me just add the age also. Yes, and once it is done, so once a doctor starts creating a prescription, okay. So here we will select some diagnosis or medicines also. Okay, so let me just select one of the diagnosis. I'm just selecting like hypertension. Okay, I've selected hypertension, and the moment I start entering the medicine, so you can see, guys, if the pharmacy is integrated, you will able to see the stock, like how much stock it is available. Right now, you can see the Dolo stock that is 965 tablets available in the pharmacy. So the strip, the strip is of 10 tablets. Yeah. So generally another strip is also available of 15 tablets. So doctor can also know what is the type of strip and what is the MRP as well. Okay, so doctor can click on that, and once it's loaded, it will come this symbol shows that this is in stock. Okay, so we can also go with another brand name, like I am searching another something. So I will also be able to figure out, or you a doctor can also prescribe the drugs which is not available in the list. Okay, so I can just let me just select like morning, evening, or thrice in a day. I can also select that. So how much dose I want to give it, I can put it like 1 unit. Okay, or one tablet. Sorry, yeah, so one tablet price of 510. So total 15 tablets needs to be consumed. Okay, so we can also select in that sense. And once this has been ready, okay, so once I just click on finish prescription, or a doctor completes their finished prescription, I can yeah. So this is how uh, a prescription gets generated. So now what will happen to the patient? Okay, in the pharmacy side. So once we open this eVital RX, like this is the dashboard. So a pharmacist needs to just click on sales. So once they click on sales, here they will be able to see the order. You can see. So just right now it is 416. So this order has been generated. So if I click on this order, so you will be able to see Dolo 650. So that is 965 is the stock. 10 quantity. If the patient is saying that they want to take only 5 quantity, so a pharmacist can click on edit button and click on edit quantity button and enter the quantity like just only 5. So and click on add. So if patient needs to just pay 15 rupees. Okay, so once this has been done, okay, 15 rupees has been done, I will just click on the net amount, and if I want to give any discount, or a pharmacist need to give a discount, they can do it. Okay, and click on submit. Once they click on submit, and here from here they need to just click on save. They can just click on save. So once it has been saved, okay, so this is order has been generated. Again, they can just simply click on sales, and if the patient is paying from cash or UPI or anything, okay, suppose I'm paying from Paytm, I can select Paytm and done. Yes, so the it's been done, and as a receptionist or a pharmacist, they can just click on the print button and can give a half page bill to the patient. Okay, yes, so you can see it shows with the logo of the clinic can also be incorporated over here. Yes, so this is how the pharmacy integration pharmacy will work, and doctor on real time can see it. So previously we saw that it was 965 tablet was available. Now if I go to the prescription again, and if I click on end visit, and now I try to I'm trying to order for another patient. Let me just go with Hamid. Can click on that, create new visit. So now the medicine needs to be reduced. So you can see it was 965 before, 960 is in the stock because 5 medicine has been taken by the previous patient. Yes. So this is how it will work. So it will keep on updating on the real time, and doctor can prescribe only those drugs which is available in the stock. Okay, and raise stock request from the distributor if there is any uh, decrease in the quantity, or yes. So this is how the pharmacy works. Thank you. Thank you.